In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your PayPal email to receive money. If someone wants to send you money through PayPal, one of the most common things they'll need is the email address linked to your account. The good news is that finding it is very quick, and once you know where to look, you can share it confidently with the sender. To begin, log into your PayPal account. After you're on the main screen, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon. This will open your account settings, which is where PayPal keeps important details related to your profile and payment setup. Once you're in Settings, go to the Account tab. In this section, you'll be able to see the email addresses connected to your PayPal account. Pay close attention to which one is marked as your primary email, because that is usually the main email associated with receiving payments. If you have more than one email attached, make sure you choose the correct one, especially the primary one, so there's no confusion for the person sending you money. After you find the right email address, copy it carefully. It's a good idea to double-check it before sharing, just to avoid any mistakes. Even a small typo can cause delays or make it harder for someone to send the payment correctly. Then send that email address to the person who will be paying you. You can share it through whatever method you're already using to communicate, as long as you send only the email address they need. This makes the process simple and helps the sender complete the payment without any extra steps, and that's really all there is to it. You just open the settings from the gear icon, go to the Account tab, find your attached and primary email, and share the correct one with the sender. As a quick tip, if you ever update your email addresses in PayPal, make sure you always share the most current primary email to avoid confusion in future payments. Keeping track of the email linked to your account can save time and make receiving money much smoother. That's the full process for finding your PayPal email to receive money. Once you've done it once, it becomes very easy to repeat anytime you need to get paid through PayPal.